ama events kumele kuhlanganwe kuwo. Be there, man. Be available always. But how do you be available njam kule economy siphila kuyo? uNkulunkulu bekangekangale talent enginalo. If belizoya to waste, yayibona.
Yeah.
Honestly, angizintatheni izinto zepolitics because zinezinto ezibhaya and there's amanga amaningi. Iqiniso asilitshelwa, liyafilterwa. So
it's what I'm saying.
If you don't, they'll come after you.
Yeah, but we were speaking the facts because we are a platform. So like, do you think SAPS might be a bit corrupt? Like, what's your take on that?
I mean, I think this whole country is corrupt. It was even better nge-era apartheid. Life was better than now. No mfethu kuyafiwa sibhetlila nezinto ekungamelanga sibhetlile nazo ayithona. Obvious mfethu, we cannot only concentrate on music. We need to concentrate on life as a whole. Kahle basically mina kimi music, it's not about ama views kuphela or making money or yangithona. It's sending a message. That's why ngithuna yonke genre.
Not everything is about ukudakwa and amabhiya and uyabona to get me, bro. Sometimes we also need that type of music that is gonna convey a message that can actually change lives instead of destroying lives.
Umntwana ona 4 ona 5 ubukele ilive yami nawe siphuza utshwala bona ngathi into grand. What are we teaching our children? How many shows do we have angenabutsotsi anobufundisi nemithandazo, but ama views wakhona or rather say our trend imishado ayiqiniswa uthando. Eventually mfethu uthando makulokuva isikhathi liyaphela.
I once heard something about Casper. Would you marry 2 wives as Tembo? Would you go for that?
Yeah, I mean I would njama. I would.
If your career pops up, bro, like even Soyambo, so we are expecting to see Usabza with immediate too, right?
No.
Sanbonani, Dumelang, Abusheni, Nda, and Huidag, Ekasi, Esot, Rabati, Shapunjani, and welcome to Progressive Podcast. Bafetu, it's good to have you back again. And mangabe we out there estradini, we drive my cab. You are doing that one song at the back of your room, wherever you stay. Tune in. This is your platform, Young Twal. And joining me vandaag is Usabza. He out here semfulo. Usabza, shapunjan boy.
Hey man, buti hi. Kuyancengeka uyazi sencenga lempilo njalo.
Sencenga boy.
Mfethu all the time.
Mnandi. So Usabza, it's not the first time having Usabza la studio bafethu. Usabza is the first guy we shot a podcast here to. The time is qala. I think it was last year, right?
Yeah, it was last year around June and March.
Somewhere there. No, it's good to have you back, Usabza. Mfana City Tango.
Danko mfethu.
Ekse.
Sanibonani babukeli. Sabza official Sabza kuyo yonke indawo. Landelani lapho nizozwa something is coming.
Yinde, what's coming, bro?
I'm working on a project elisha yabo.
Yeah.
Okay, abantu bayazi I do music mina mfethu. I don't concentrate genre new one. I do music wonke. So I recently started working on a 3-step. So something is coming. Ninga check up on social media. We are trying to push the song. Tune in bafethu nizohlangana nento right.
So what are you actually doing, Sabza? Like push umculo njani boy? Like because the last time we had the first podcast with Usia, you were doing Amapiano, right?
Yeah.
So how is Amapiano to you? Like gapusheka in lap.
Mfethu, I won't lie, mfethu. In music industry angeke we understand, yabo.
Yeah.
Ifuna ukuthi ufunde every time. So basically kumele uhlale research ukuthi what's new, what's popping and so on. So Amapiano now ana leading slayer ukuthi kumele uhlale ubheke ukuthi what's trending recently and so on. So for you to push asispane ngobuntu. Uyangispanela wona Amapiano but awangispaneli to my favor ngaleyo ndlela leyo. So I'm trying 3-step ngibona ukuthi ngispana kanjani and iloku ngigaya good attention yabo.
Okay.
Yeah.
So like in terms of taking your music out there, yabona, like how is the process? Because there are so many guys actually doing amapiano.
Yeah.
And because of the fact, I think it's very difficult for amatist afana nawe to actually get your music out there. Yini enzima kangaka to actually, you know, get your music out there and be known. And awufane mhlambe no Kabza and Maphorisa and or Scott's Maphuma. Like, what is the process of getting your music out there?
Mfana igame didings.
Okay.
We are all playing singaphakathi.
Hey, kuyadlala.
Sijangelile.
Umdlalo.
Sijangelile.
Yeah.
So we are fighting for the best mfethu, yabo.
Okay.
So by saying we are fighting for the best ukuthi nawe u-consistent kangakanani. Kumele ube consistent, kumele uhlale ukhona, people have to see you everywhere, yabo. But no, it's hard ukuthola ama gigs. It's hard ukuthola izinto ezifana, and thank you for having me Nenjam.
Okay,
It's hard ukuthola indawo abazokubiza kuzo for ama interviews, for ama podcasts, for talking about anything ngiyangithola nje.
Danko Melty.
And njoba ku hard kanje, now you need to try and push yourself, try and approach ngiyangithola. You can't just sit and relax uthi bang approach, I won't approach them.
Yeah.
Angisho ufuna ukuba successful nge-music business. Now we try and approach abantu abagrand.
So tell me something, Sabza. Do you think National Arts Council is it playing indima yayo in terms of helping amachita fana njengawe and some other musicians out there in terms of getting their music out there, in terms of financing your projects? Like, what's your take on that?
Yazi qala kunzima ukuthola umuntu ospana ngalendlela le kumele asipane ngayo ngithola. So I'd say it's hard ukuthi ngiphendule la leyo because I've never experienced ukuba funded by NCA.
Okay. So what would you say are the most challenging aspects as a musician in actually, you know, thriving and taking music as a business and also as a way of survival? What are the most challenging aspects in terms of your own perspective as Usabza?
My own perspective ne ukuthi uthole ama supporters abona ngathi akufanele.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ube more relevant ku industry. Izinto is challenging because you might find me dropping a song ne. Thola ukuthi in 5 months 105 views.
Shit.
Yeah, I understand that.
Yeah.
Whilst angadropa ubani, I don't want to mention names.
Okay.
But makaqeda kudropa mawusu uyangena wena 2 hours later seka ku 120,000 views. Uyayithola. So kumele angazi man, we need to find a way of getting ama supporters ukuthi angasabi ukuview ama links wethu. Angasabi ukustream ingoma zethu.
So what really differentiates you and those that get 120k views in a single day? Is it not you probably not doing izinto esifuna like ama fans wakho, or is it you doing something that they don't like? How would you differentiate that?
I'd never say I'm doing things that they don't like or music that they don't like.
Mm-hmm.
I'd say the main aspects kule slay funding.
Okay.
There's too much lack of funding towards music wam.
Okay.
I mean, I personally I'm not counting anyone else. I specifically ne kufuneka funding enough. We need to have a PR. We need to have a marketing team strong so that music wethu uzokwazi ukuthi ube out there ustreameke, because remember ne for you to like something kumele kube yinto oyibonayo or oyenza every day. You understand? So let's say for instance we didn't know ama companies afana nabo Vodacom nabo WMP, we'd never use them because asizazi ngithola. But for you to be known, PR, promotions, marketing, you need to have more pictures on social media, you need to have more videos, more content out there. So ilek yento yokushutha ilek yanyan yeslimazayo thina as ama artists are upcoming ngithola.
So in other words, Otami, what you're trying to say is in this time and age, it's not easy for one to actually make it out there without having some financial backup or somebody who can actually do the PR for them.
Yeah.
But when you look at it on a broader view, there are things like Aboma social media. You can easily get your music out there. You can do those short music vids. Have a trailer probably of a music feed, right?
Yeah.
So why can't you guys follow that way of having your music out there without having to actually look for backup ongeke uzuyithole anytime soon?
Remember one thing, there's the algorithm.
Yeah.
The algorithm is pana and the trend at the moment. That's all. So if I try and post my song and a bigger artist posts a song, very algorithm is a preferable
The bigger artist.
Because wenzani he's already known. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's already known. I'm still trying to get known by abantu ababhaya. And kunzima mfethu because akekho umuntu ozosuka ePitori athi mina ngifan la kaSabza angangazi. You understand? It has to be someone who knows you, and for them to know you kumele uhlale ukhona, kumele kube umuntu o relevant, uyangithola. And being relevant, I mean kumele if there's ama events kumele kuhlanganwe kuwo, be there, man. Be available always. But how do you be available njam kule economy siphila kuyo?
Yeah, because there's a lot to do, ne?
Yeah.
And I'm sure like njengoba ushilo awuthami ukuthi you are still new in the business, angithi.
Yeah.
So probably there are certain things that you're doing for survival, because I do believe Usabza is a family man, right? So as a family man, you need to provide for umndeni wakho, your kids, kuningi nje. You understand that? So hey, you can't really avail yourself ngaso sonke isikhathi because umedem nawo yakufuna futhi endlini and ingane nazo ngala. So yeah, like it's quite a lot.
Yeah.
So manje Sabza, like if it's like that, then chances of you actually making it out there, that means they're very much slim. Or kanjani?
But we can't say that. Angisho uyathandaza uNkulunkulu ewanza.
uNkulunkulu ophilayo.
Yeah. And uzobuya sikhumbule nathi ukuthi sabantwana bakhe.
Yeah.
I mean uNkulunkulu bekangekangayile talent enginalo.
Yeah.
If belizoya to waste, yayibona.
Yeah.
So one day izinto zoyenzeka mfethu.
So
I always believe in that.
Okay, and I'm into that, I'll tell you. Yeah. Now I'm a very spiritual person since cat.
Yeah.
So when I'll tell me like when I want to attack on South African politics, like from my own perspective, like let me give you an example. What's to attack on Imatlanga Commission? Like, what do you think?
Yazi mfethu ukutshela ivari nemina. Honestly angizinthatheni lezi zinto ze-politics because zinezinto ezibhaya and there's amanga amaningi, iqiniso asilitshelwa liyafiltharwa, so angingeni kulezo zinto.
Okay, so when like you don't actually follow news, no, you follow but you're a bit ignorant.
Yeah, I am a bit ignorant into ezinjalo. Yeah.
Okay, so like akho lutho nje olaziyo like in terms of the Matlanga Commission and how mhlambe how corrupt the SAPS is, like allegedly. Yeah. It's what I'm saying.
If you don't, they'll come after you.
Yeah, but we are speaking the facts because we are a platform. So like we are also speaking things that are based on what I've read, because it's written all over the news, Yaban, and it's all over. So that is why I'm asking you, do you think SAPS might be a bit corrupt? Like what's your take on that?
I mean, I think this whole country is corrupt.
Like everything is corrupt, man.
So you might find someone ohlele kasi apply leSpani angasitholi, but kunomuntu kunenyungu kubo but uyasebenza. I understand usebenze kanjani, usebenze ecompany yekamngani kababakhe, nepotism. You understand, but nepotism na corruption. I understand. So I think this whole country, in fact, the whole world is corrupt.
I'm fairness program like that's one thing that we cannot actually change. Like I've learned to actually accept life as it is. I don't think we can all be the same.
Yeah.
Some have to be rich, some have to be poor.
And we
Some
do
have-
need inequality.
Yeah,
we can't be equal.
we can't all be equal.
Respectana kanjani.
You get me?
Yeah.
So I think in everything that we do at times, we need to acknowledge the fact that we can not always be the same. I can come up with a song today, and tomorrow the song is trending. It has 1M views, and
Yeah.
like I'm not even known, bro, to anyone. And vuka ngakusasa sing it at top, you understand?
Yeah.
So when I going back to music, because ngiyabona ukuthi our time I'll go too much into politics.
I'm not.
Yeah, usaba ukuboshwa yini la.
No, akukusaba ukuboshwa.
Yini
Futhi I mean ezinye izinto ngifila ngathi zizogcina zikudamage umqondo yabo.
Yeah,
Because today uzwa le, kusasa uzwa le.
Kuningi
Uyayibona?
yeah.
And alize elivele iqiniso ekugcineni. Because if belivele iqiniso nathi futhi nsamamene thina as abantu abahlala kule country, we are always crying about the very same things, but we are still voting for the very same people. Always. You understand?
Yeah.
We don't want change. Kahle we are afraid of change. Right on.
And-
Asifuna ukustarta new.
and Sabza, as you know, time if you speak about voting for the same organization like time and again, there's something that I once heard. Is it true, Uguti, if you don't go, let's say you once registered to vote, and you voted for a certain political party, yabona, and then if the next elections come and you don't go and vote, your vote automatically goes to that.
To those people.
If
Nami
I don't
ngeke
know
ngayizwa riding, but hey, bese ngifuna ukukhuluma into engayazi ngivume
Yeah.
ngikhuluma ngisho ngayo. Nami I'm not sure, but nami
Yeah.
ngizwile riding ukuthi if you go and register and then you voted for SABSA,
Yeah.
if you don't vote for the next term, you are voting for SABSA.
Why?
I understand.
So awucabanga ukuthi that could be the reason why the ANC keeps on winning the elections.
It
Because
could be-
abantu they've just realized, people have come to a
we
realization.
are all tired of
whereby-
voting, no, uyangithola, because we all know ukuthi bazowina.
And remember, my bro, ukuthi, most people they've come to a realization whereby voting to them seems to be so useless, in the sense that voting was good or was even better during the time of apartheid, when we wanted to get rid of the apartheid government and all the systems that were put in place. Yabona?
Yeah.
But when you look at it now, I think voting to me is very much useless. That's my own perspective.
Yazi umadala wami ne
Yeah.
used to say it was even better ngesikhathi nge-era ye-apartheid. Okay, he used to say no, it was not a good thing ukuthi ama whites nama blacks are separated and stuff, but imithetho the way bengakhona bekuyimithetho sharp because everyone was aligned. You'd never find umuntu oqede isikolo ahleli angaspan. But now bethu check your unemployment rate.
It's very high.
Very high.
Yeah.
And we are trying to fight crime, but we cannot fight crime. Unemployment rates high kanje. I understand because umuntu lambile.
Yeah.
Asirengevara umuntu lambile ayibona riding. And if umuntu lambile mfethu akana chance akana choice wenzani? Akana option.
Obviously, like that goes without even saying.
Yeah, uyayibona riding there.
Yeah.
But before i-crime rate beyilow because mabakuthola estradini awusebenzi hayi wena na umsebenzi nangu bus John amboshaya ingadi la.
So, Sabza, do you think ukuthi the apartheid government was better than the present one?
Yabona uGreenvar fidi mina honestly I think vele it's best if sibuyela back to that era because sharp ezinye izinto azikho grand like i-treatment beyenzeka uyayithola but fidi life was better than now. No mfethu kuyafiwa sibhetlela nezinto ekungamelanga sibhetlele nazo ayithola.
Yeah, I get you, and as it's really sad because the way how you're actually putting it, yabana, because I think moving on from 1994, people are gonna see a lot of transformation, a lot of things happening, but instead of us seeing the transformation taking place, things are actually getting bad by the day, yabana. Because even if you look at so many organs of the government. Yabona, like when you look at the prisons, you look at the hospitals, like kugcwele, like and mainly it's because of crime. Yabona,
Yeah.
people that get hurt, people that get hurt, ezindlini zabo after work. So you find that ukuthi, like it's a crime-free zone, fair to, like, unlike before, during the apartheid era. Yabona. Okay, Sabza, like since we're discussing that, and I also want to say rest in peace to Baba Unathi Mthethwa. He used to be the former minister of police, and also he was the former minister of sports, arts and culture. Yeah, you heard the story, right?
Ngisizwa ngawe no, yes.
Really?
Yeah, like I've been busy.
So,
busy
bro,
for
man, you're not a
weeks.
news person.
No, I am.
Like,
No, listen, I do watch news. I do listen to news, but lately mfethu Spanish ngibambile mfethu.
uchunani boy, like probably ama-fans wakho angathanda ukwazi ukuthi kahle kahle uSabza yini le ayenzayo, you know?
Abasupport labantu, so kumele uthole Spanish, so keep her going mfethu.
But
is
guys, please support uSabza. You know, Sabza, yazi ngifana ngiyakucelela ke manje ama-fans wakho bafethu, can you please go and support uSabza? You know, you're gonna find him on his social pages, ne? Uzonibeka ke, like before siqede ke le show lena ukuthi like utholakala va, right? Yeah. So I'll tell me when hayi bo.
Mfethu mina mehasla mfethu. Ngihlanganisa ngayo yonke indlela.
Yeah.
Ngithola, so that sokwazi ukuthi sidle ezushilo ukuthi ngifamily man.
Yeah.
I need to make sure ukuthi labantu laba abayizamva kwami balala badlile every day bayaqoka. I understand that things level.
Yeah.
So obviously mfethu, we cannot only concentrate on music. We need to concentrate on life as a whole. That's all.
Okay.
Because if you don't concentrate on life as a whole, you'll end up being a beggar.
But word of advice though, I think it's really important, ikakhulukazi for, you know, somebody like you. You're doing music and you're touching lives. Because you're not only singing to the world, but you're touching lives. Because sometimes you might release a song only to find out ukuthi Lango Malaya has gone somewhere and touched someone out there. You understand?
Yeah.
Lomuntu mhlambe was in a verge of wanting to kill themselves, you know, and give up. You understand?
Yeah, and it
then
makes me happy njalo ukuthi kube khona umuntu otouchwa ingoma yami. Kahle basically mina kimi music, it's not about ama views kuphela or making money or yangithwala. It's sending a message. That's why ngitshuna yonke genre.
Okay.
I'm not specifically doing dance music or soulful music or yangithwala. Wonke music ngiyawuchuna as long as I message ngiyisenda emntwini ifika kuye. I understand.
Okay. But like as I was saying, I think it's also important for abantu abafana nawe and many musicians out there ukuthi try and be as informative as possible, especially when it comes to like the things that are happening in the world, you know, the current affairs, the news, you know, whatever that is trending. You guys need to know, because like for example, our former minister Baba Unathi Mthethwa, he passed on in France. So let me tell you what really happened. I won't tell you the whole story, but I'm just going to give you a hint. Yeah, it said that he fell from I think it's a 34-story building in France. So he was found dead there. So, you know, so things like that. So people like you, it's very important to actually convey that message. Nishayele something, because not everything is about ukdawa and amabia and to get me, bro. Sometimes we also need that type of music that is gonna, you know, convey a message that can actually change lives instead of destroying lives. Because music does have a lot of impact on people. Look at the youth. You know, we always cry about ama 2000 this, ama 2000 that. Awucabanga ukuthi mhlambe umusic na unomthelela when it comes to that?
Yeah, umthelela. That's why maybe that's why I mean angatholi enough views. Because like ingoma ezifana nabo izinyanya, I just dropped izinyanya I think 2 months back. Itrack eli like it's me talking to amadlozi. Yeah, you understand. And mangikhuluma namadlozi, ngikhuluma nabo ngizicelela ukuhle. Ngizicelela uxolo. You understand that things leyo. And wena ungayimamela ngeperspective yakho leyo ngoma. Uyizwe ukuthi no, nami la yimi lo khuluma nalabantu. But le youth yamanje ifuna wona lo music lo
Ukudakwa.
uyayibona lo music uzothi mawukhala busothi uyahamba eklabhini ubuyele uyokhipha le hayi ukugcina sokusini uyathola yini leyo.
Yeah.
And I believe ukuthi thina asikwazi ukufana nama countries afana nabo China. I mean social media yethu mfethu iveza ezinye izinto ezithusayo. But when you go to ama countries afana nabo China, social media yabo educational. Ngiyathola. Music wami mina educational nje. There's a lot of things ezenzakalayo emhlabeni ezinokufika emqondweni wami ngizenza ngizibhale keep itrack elimnandi. But lizoba mnandi to only those who relate. You understand? Umusic uyipoetry mfethu. And umusic kumele udlale ngamagama. You can't just say izinto straight. Bona bafuna yayibona. And low music low mfethu, so I feel ukuthi uyasdamage more and more. We can't always talk about drugs, alcohol, partying every time, jam.
But when you look at most artists, like is it true that most artists that like they're on drugs or they abuse alcohol, you know, stuff like that? Or if so, what could be the reason behind too much, you know, excessive of alcohol, you know, drugs and all that? Ingena kuphi, like in terms of umculo, why do most artists think that it's good for them, you know, to be a bit intoxicated when doing music? What could be the idea?
As a to answer that, ne?
Yeah.
Nami benginokuzibuza ukuthi why, but uyayazi there's this person who's called stage fright. You understand? So I believe ukuthi bafuna ukuthi so that bazomchase away put stage fright, because if unaso stage fright, you'll end up doing uzowe stage, uzoquleka uthukile, and ingoma zakho uzozikhohlwa ama lyrics wakhona. Imagine ufuna ukucabanga something yenzeke 2 weeks back, but there's someone okukhombe ngesibhamu emuva. You understand? Uyapanika, ayisabuyi le information. Uyayithola? So I believe ukuthi mhlambe bayenziswa yiyo writing leyo.
Okay, but some they go way beyond. Even after, you know, having those live shows, they still go and do drugs. They end up getting even deeper into drugs. So don't you think this thing of stage fright is really a problem? Is there any other way of addressing it? Because I think, man, there's so much that can be addressed. I think abantu, they follow I don't know if ever I'm okay if I say it's the right route. Why would you want to sing for people and at the same time you're afraid of us? So you mean to say our leaders, our presidents and our ministers out there, in order for them to come and face us and address a certain issue, they have to be, you know, under some influence.
Yazi mina njengami kanje, mina ngiphuza utshwala, I don't do drugs. Angizifuni. I mean ngiyakwazi ukugibela stage mina, ngiyakwazi ukwenza anything engifuna ukuyenza because into engizijwayeza yona. You understand? And I can't be afraid of facing abantu abama supporter wami. Uyayithola? I think kumele uzijwayeze, and enye into yiyo leadings leyo ukuthi ama supporters end up complain ngawo ukuthi awufuni ukubagama autographs, awufuni ukushutha nabo, awufuni ini. Usuku soba. You understand? And angisho uzijwayeze wena ukucommunicate nama fans wakho nama customers wakho through social media mangabe usoba, but mangabe udagiwe uyakhona ukucommunicate nabo intoxicated. When you are sober awukhona. uzijwayeze umkhubo omubi.
So ngamanye amagama Sabza, like what you're trying to say is lapha emculweni, I would say, I mean, like you need to be an actor or an actress, like you portray a different character, or mhlambe that character that you're portraying is a coping mechanism.
Ukhumbule ne, there's uSabza and then there's uTebo Khobotlo njalo. uTebo Khobotlo lo ethi makafika endlini ubaba uyindoda, you understand, kumele yonke into iqonde. And then manguSabza ngine character kaSabza. Character kaSabza ile yase studio, it's all about music, it's all about in uyangithona. But when it comes to reality, gama lami lamampela mfethu, kumele uzama ukuzidifferentiate lezo zinto lezo, because you cannot behave ngathi uSabza endlini. Angeke bakulalela abantwana bakho, bazokulalela kanjani?
Yeah. you can't bring uSabza lo like oculayo stage abe ubaba wasendlini futhi like so would you agree with me if I say ukuthi that's you guys, you possess two different roles? It's like we are actor, and bese kuba khona the original ke uTebo Khobotlo, right? Yes. Okay, and then yakuthola time I think you've actually made it much more easier for me to understand, because being shy in most cases, because it's rare ukuthi uthole umuntu owenza umculo engekho under some influence. I think it has become a norm, especially with many even artists and those that are still young and upcoming.
Yeah.
Going to the studio, they need to be intoxicated. Writing a song, they need to be under some influence.
As in mfethu, it's not only about music, mfethu. Even ama movie, ama actors nama actresses. You find umuntu ayenza iscene, it's isibheke mhlawumbe iscene kuyizwe abo Chester bebabhema ama drugs. Wena ukhulu naleyo mentality leyo ukuthi ukuze bangigcwale kumele
I have to behave in a certain way. So when you think from your own perspective, what media has portrayed that type of behavior.
Yes.
And with that type of behavior, we've seen let me not talk about music only, because I think the whole creative sector has become like that.
Yeah.
There were once good artists out there, but when you look at it now, like baphelile nje ngalabo bantu laba because of that type of behavior. Because kwabanye ifike ibe too much, it becomes addictive, whereby umuntu can't even survive, can't even do anything without taking those drugs. Yeah. So I don't know, Sabza, do you think, or rather do you agree with me if I say what media has portrayed the creative sector in a different way, as a way of a coping mechanism,
Yeah, I think if it's yes affects, and it's affects her negatively.
Yeah.
Because I mean umntwana ona 4 ona 5 ubukele ilive yami nawe siphuza utshwala, bona ngathi into egrand. What are we teaching our children? Ukuthi makaqeda isikole kumele aphuze, makaqeda isikole kumele abheme. We understand that English?
Yeah, understand.
Where else besingazama ukuportray ilive ngendlela egrand, even if ngekho grand, because mina if ngi-actor ngibhema ama drugs angwabhemi kamampela, you understand, but ngiyam affecta umuntu ongibukele, kuba ne-effect engiyifakayo kuyo, you understand, ukuthi ama drugs mpeka ujabule kanjani, is very happy, and forgetting ukuthi there's umuntu onama worries nama stresses wakhe, you understand. And nami before ngizobhema lama drugs benginama worries nama stresses wami kuphi esinini, you understand, ngabhema ama drugs ngaba happy, so siportrayana ukuthi ama drugs iwangakhipha kule nkinga.
So media kahle I think is killing the youth.
Yeah,
or rather is giving people a different aspect about approaching life's problems.
No, futhi not to judge ukuthi bayenza izinto ezi wrong ne. At the end of the day nje, how many shows do we have angenabutsotsi anobufundisi nemithandazo, but ama views wakhona or rather say our trend, because thina vele kuhlale kushiwo ukuthi umntana into enhle akasheshi ukuyibamba kodwa inhlamba bamba fast.
Yo.
You understand? Sithanda lezi ezibhedayo. Lezi ezigrand ngeke sizilandele. So vele mfethu at the end of the day business leli.
Yeah, I get you, Subs. So when as an artist, because I still remember you once released a track. Langoma Fetu, I think was one of my like Bengitanda again Langoma Openchisi. Do you still remember Openchisi, right?
Yeah, I do remember Openchisi. We had to take Openchisi down due to our numbers. And we need to invest more on that song. We are trying to
Benches is coming.
We are trying to gain enough funds enough for shoot for promotional purposes and so on. So be on the lookout, Buffett. So new music is coming. Benches is coming back, and sizohlangana kakhulu la ku social media.
And I still remember the last time you said ukuthi uBenchisi like I never really got to the idea of what Benchisi really means. Kahle yini Benchisi out time like ngicela nje ungibekele ucela usibekele nje like yini uBenchisi la.
Yabona uCasper weza negama elithi Hosh Karamaim.
Yeah.
Hayi Benchisi lelo.
So yini okay.
So sinama lengozo sizicreatela wona different ngithola iBenchisi umntwana omuhle. Yabona labantwana bogcina kuma magazine. Yeah. Kuyilabo bantwana labo.
Ama slay queen.
Yeah.
Abantwana ba fresh.
Yeah, abantwana ba nice.
Yeah. So that's the definition of a Benchisi.
Yeah, Benchisi.
So makwenzeke guys.
Mina ngifuna Benchisi bafethu, it was just a song. Ningacabanga ukuthi yimbe ngizifunela iBenchisi la.
Okay. So even let's say for example umntana wakho ekhaya uyakubuza. Let's say mfethu ingoma yakhe trend mfethu and it's out there, yabo.
Yeah.
And then your kid comes to akubuza. Time like yini Benchisi? Is that the answer that you're going to give to them?
Yeah, yabona iba tricky dani. iBenchisi nayo umntanami iBenchisi because umntana muhle mina emehlweni wami ukuthi wena kenzakalani. So umntwana wami ngizomphendula ngendlela egrand appropriate ngizona. It has to be as appropriate as possible mangiphendula engcosini.
Or if abangani bakhe kesigela bayamtshela ukuthi hayi akuyona phela i-definition right for Benchisi le. It's something else. Yabona
yazi mina ithama la mangibuya ngiphikisa into engiphendule yona mangimbuza iquestion ezibeka thini kimi. Bona ke yibo laba ba wrong bafuna ukufundisa izinto ezi wrong. Uyayithola umntana wakho kumele umkhulise ngendlela egrand mfethu ukuthi ahlale aziphethe kahle naye. You understand? Njengami mina mfethu there's certain words engingawakhulumi because bengazi ukuthi endlini babangangizwa ngikhuluma lawo magama.
Thola isibhaxa.
And into ebhlungu ukuthi lo muntu lo wangikhulisa ngaleyo ndlela leyo akasekho ne. But still ngiyasaba ukukhuluma lawo magama because ngakhuliswa ngingawakhulumi.
Okay.
Ngiqale manje.
And what's your take on our relationships? Because ngiyakubona uthami ukuthi you're a family oriented man kahle kahle. Azi moqala nje ukhuluma ngomndeni wakho vele kushintshe nje kwasebusweni uthyabe. Like you become so serious. So what's your take on our relationship like and marriages like kulesikhathi siphila kuso. Like do you think it's good for couples to get married? Do you think it's good for relationships, to strive ngendlela right until mhlambe they get married? Yabona like what's your take on that?
As a bro wami ngizokutshela ne. Imishado ayiqiniswa uthando. Eventually mfethu uthando makulokuva isikhathi liyaphela. I remember I get used to you. Ngiyakujwayela and mangikujwayela uthando liyaya lu sesiliba neutral. I understand that in English. Into egcina umshado i-consistency, i-commitment. If wena you stay committed to partner yakho, yonke into izova grand. If you are consistent ku partner yakho, yonke into izova grand. Because all those little things you do or you say kuye, yizo zimkhipha happy. Naye all the little things azenzayo kuwe nazishoyo kuwe, yizo zikhipha happy. I understand. So abantu ababhaya bayasaba ukungena into marriages and ama-relationships are-serious because basaba ukuthi uthando luzophela. Nathi abomadala bethu lwaphela uthando, but still basabambelele. Why? Ikhona lento le abahlalisayo. So my take kuma-marriages nama-relationships ukuthi if wena uyayazi into oyifunayo uzoba ku-strong relationship. You understand? Because I mean thina youth siyasaba no mfethu. Siyasaba like ukuba committed.
Yini engaka like what are we afraid of?
Mfethu
Yini engaka?
inhliziyo zethu mhlawumbe ziyiclass, I understand.
Zinama expiry date.
Ish.
Uthando lwamanje lufana ne-date.
Yeah, mfethu, and angisho ileve yabona seyifast isi.
Yeah.
Iyagijima mfethu. And sinale fear yokuthi mina ngumuntu ohererezayo. Usibza umuntu onemali uyiphethe yonke. Angangithathela umuntu wami at any given time. So we live in fear. Kahle. We live in fear, and abafethu siyekeni lento.
So when you say that we live in fear, so do you really think ukuthi umjita onenyuko angakushaya ngestina man?
Kudependa ngomuntu wena ozwana naye.
Yeah.
Yayithola.
Yeah.
If vele wena umuntu ozwana naye nahlangana le ngemali.
Yeah.
Vele it's all about money relationship yenu, yangithola. But if uhlangane nomuntu obuildayo mfethu, umuntu ofuna ukubuild. Oh well mfethu, you can't control umuntu ukuthi ayenze inini what time. But wena have faith.
So Sabza awuthembeka ne? Would you really say ukuthi it's good for a man to have 2 wives, or mhlambe your woman to have mhlambe amajita awu-2 just so they can balance the equation of love? Because njengoba uchaza nje ukuthi lento senama expiry date man.
Yeah.
We are like it goes and it dies eventually. Do you also support that statement? Esokuthi sometimes it's good ukuthi kube khona nje umuntu nyana nje eceleni who can help i relationship yenu ukuthi strive. Umama wasendlini mayestressile or ubaba wasendlini mayestressile, we go to those people emasayidini and try and cool it off bese siyabuyela ke like do you also believe in that awuthemba?
Mfethu mina lezi zinto lezi angizipromote nje ama-online, ngithola.
Yeah.
Angizipromote izinto ezinjalo because kuzoba ngathi mina ngipromote izinto ezibhethi.
Cha ngiyibuzela nje umbuzo nje.
Abantu bayakwenza and kuyabasipanela.
Yeah.
You understand? So I believe ukuthi umuntu kumele ayenze into emsebenzelayo.
Awunayo nje impendulo straight nje.
No, angeke zibe khona.
I hope you guys you've heard it for yourself. Umuntu makayenze lento emsebenzelayo. If that works for you, go for it.
Yeah.
If it doesn't work for you, phuma kuyo, right?
Njalo.
Oh, so when I'll tell me, are you gonna get married someday? Like, phakathi kwethu mfethu sobabili.
Mina ngizoshada. Mina ngizoshada nje yabo. Angifuni ukuphila in fear mina.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuphila impilo yami, and okenzakala mina I'm hoping for the best, ngithola.
Yeah.
But okenzakala kuyenzakala kusemhlabeni ngisho.
Yeah.
Siyawa uyavuka uyazithintitha.
And in most cases la emhlabeni you don't have to have that negative mentality
ukuthi
noma ngishada noma
yafana ngizodivorce.
Yafana, so
leyo ngqondo leyo mfethu keep vele ekhanda lakho.
Ayisipanye.
Awushadili mfethu awubhali test for ukufail.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Ubhali test for ukupass all the time. So why ku marriage si focus kulento ukuthi abantu abaningi baya divorce, akusho ukuthi nami mangashada ngizodivorce.
Okay.
Why don't you think ngizoshada ngize ngishone nomuntu wami?
Okay, so what if your music mhlambe outside you get successful yabana someday. So in terms of balancing your relationship with the wife and kids at home, and in terms of balancing a career yako, and obviously with your career being successful, obviously kuza ama-joint amaningi mhlawumbe ungaqala nama-business esayidini, understand?
Yeah.
So as Usabza, how are you gonna be able to manage all that? Because I remember I once asked you a question and you told me that you're not always available, to meet up with people who can actually help you with your career. So the same question comes back again, but in a different form. Uzokwazi kanjani, to manage all that?
Yazi Jamu ukutshela ivari,
Yeah.
you cannot concentrate ey'ntweni eziyi-2 ngesikhathi esiyi-1. Uyangithola? I-1 izolimala but kumele wenze sure ukuthi ayibi damaged. Uyangithola? So ubalansa kanjani? Phela ukhumbule uma successful wonke umuntu uyakufuna. Ama-promoters ngapha, ama-interviewers ngapha, ama-radio station yini. So kuzomele uzame ukwenzani? Every little time you get away from i-career, spend nabantu basendlini.
Okay. So awucabangi wena ukuthi umama wasendlini mhlambe ingafika ihlale kuyena ngendlela engekho right. Uyabona, is she not gonna feel neglected at some point that uyazi Sabza, you're not always at home, because noma sithi sihleli nje la ekhaya i-call izongena and then you're supposed to go somewhere else to do this and that. Uyabona, like what I want to understand kahle Sabza is, if you look at many artists that are successful out there, it's very hard for them to actually maintain their relationships or their marriages. It's only a few, and those few, there are so much marital problems. Look, for example, Will Smith and Jaden Jaden Pinkett Smith. There's so much on their relationship. There are so many artists out there, bro. Like izinto masaqala kumnandi, and once money and fame comes in, things take a different turn. Yabona?
No,
So
I think sometimes inathi sisuke sibe weak. You understand?
yeah.
And kumele kuhlalwe phansi kukhulunywe ukuthi bheka mfethu, i-relationship yethu akuse public. You understand? Whatever that happens endlini phelele endlini. You understand? Because the moment thina siqala ukuthatha inkinga zethu zasendlini
Just advertise, yeah.
That's when ke abantu babona ngathi mina ngumuntu onjanjani or wena umuntu onjanjani. Uyayithona? So ukubalansisa lezi zinto lezi mfethu ukuthi nabo bahlale ba happy. Akhona ama events mfethu, let's say for instance I had to fly to UK. And ngiyabona okay ngizofly isikhathi eside and nayo off espanini. And kumele kube umuntu understanding uspanayo njalo. Uyazi ukuthi iSpan naso sinokuba demanding. Uyayithola? Naye unokungabi nesikhathi for me. Thola ukuthi ngikhona endlini. I think what kills ama relationships into enza ukuthi kube ne clash between ama relationships ne career. Leading sokuthi understanding ayikho. And omunye wenza le ama career wethu awafani. Uyayithola? But angisho siqale into le ama career wethu sazi ukuthi awafani. Why don't you try and manage and balance izinto the way kumele zibe ngakhona?
So especially you guys, like as ama musicians, it happens all time. You can have a European tour probably mhlambe for Obama, 3 months. Uyangithola, and umedium uyi-1 ngara endlini yabo usele nencosi, and as you are performing lapha unama dancers wakho and who happen to be more beautiful than your wife, and the way how they dress, you get me?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, so the way how they dress, don't you think at some or like at some point umedium wako might feel jealousy, or might feel might feel different ukuthi ngiyazi wonder labantwana laba bajive no Sabza benzani after this whole thing?
Uyamnika na wena na question ke uyamnika wena assurance na.
You do, but sometimes with people, that's why our time khona nto kuthiwa yisikhwele. You understand that level? Sometimes you do give assurance, lots of it. Ukuthi yazini mama sendlini ngishaye ngawe girl, so relax, whatever happens sisonke yazo. But there's still that thing, at the back of her mind ukuthi mara angimthembi man.
But mina I believe ukuthi umuntu akaveli abe nento ukuthi angimthembi. Uyayithola? Khona into okwayenza before wabanjwa. I understand njalo.
Ngiyathola.
Yeah. So if vele uke wabanjwa angeke I-trust yakho vele seyilimited wena.
Engaka ama relationship waziyo, I'll tell me like our artists, like ayikabi, if I'll tell me ayikabi, don't be like secretive yabona angika nje amagama awu 2 or 3 like ama artists like owaziyo asaqhubha nezimedi zawo like in a good way yabo and not in a bad way, you know, because guys remember we're doing this so that we can inspire, you know, and motivate people out there ukuthi, you know, it's still possible to be an artist or to be a creative and still be in a position of maintaining a marriage or your relationship or whatever the case may be. So umbuzo wami kusabza is cela ungama 3 nje.
Yazi mfethu ne
Yeah.
angeke ngikwazi ukugama namagama because angeke ngibazi.
Yeah.
That's why ngeke ngibazi.
Yeah.
Abantu abahleli ba happy kuma relationships wabo nje awekho public.
Yeah.
You understand lento leyo?
Not all.
Yes, mangabe public mhlawumbe ibe public ngemistake bakubone uhamba nomuntu wakho nibambene ngezandla. Uyayithola? Mfethu I relationship I feel ukuthi kumele kube okay niyamazi umuntu wami ukuthi ubani. Niyazi ukuthi mina ngishade nobani. Beka uCasper njalo nemiri yakhe. You won't know anything ngoCasper nemiri yakhe. Uzombona nje mhlawumbe avelile ngemistake ku live stream. Ukuthi bayalwa wabani? Do you know?
I've never heard anything.
It's
But
not public.
But I think I once heard something about Casper. Okay, like it's not long, baby. I think there was a point la bake bahlukana khona. And then it happened ukuthi bafixe izinto and got back together.
Yes.
Yabo.
I mean mfethu even a normal person ongasi celebrate mfethu it happens to loyo muntu loyo.
Yeah.
Understand? Because umuntu uyaphila mfethu you've got your own mistakes. Yayithola. So now ama artists kumele sikhumbule babantu. But as long as izinto zabo mfethu bazenza secretly asimnandi.
Oh, okay. When I saw, do you believe in going back to your ex?
Hey, it's a different story.
Cha ngiyibo.
No, mina mfethu I personally I don't because
Yeah.
I mean mfethu into esihlukanisile ingasihlukanisa futhi.
Okay.
You understand? The phela ukhumbula sivele sidecide ayisehlukana namhlanje ngenxa yemistake esingayidasta phezulu yayithola. Sihlukaniswa into deep.
Okay.
I understand. So when do you think lento le deep eyenzakela ukuze sihlukane ngeke iphinde yenzeke?
Njengoba ushilo ukuthi sometimes ama mistake can be resolved, you understand, because we are human beings. Yabona izinto ziyenzeka and uthola ukuthi mhlambe nawe you had your own reasons as to why you did whatever that you did.
Yeah.
Yabo. So since when you told me that there are certain things that can be resolved in life, is it still okay, or do you see the chances of going back to ex just in case that opportunity presents itself?
Angiyazi yenzani.
Yeah.
Ngicela uphinde question yakho.
So my question was, you once said that there are things or certain things that can be actually resolved. Do you get me? So do you think it's possible for you to get back to your ex?
Yazi dependa nangani futhi ne.
Yeah.
How was their relationship? Uyayithola. And sihlukene for how long? Uyayithola. Phela ukhumbula ukuthi khona izinto isikhathi masiloko sami. Khona izinto engizozenza different naye ezozenza different, uyayithola. And masihlangana futhi usase lo yamuntu beka uwe or there's a good change about lo muntu loyo. So iya dependa kahle siyayiweya siyabona ukuthi kanjani and nakhona mawuzobuyelana neex yakho awubuyelana nayo fully ubuyela nawo utest ama waters uthi umuntu lona usatriggereka nje ubeka triggereka ngakhona before I understand njalo. And nayi problem mina I feel iyo into engayenza ukuthi mina ngabuyelana nama ex ukuthi every time so gadile man so kunalento leyo ukuthi esho lokho nje mangayenza so uzobehave kanje uyayibona. So sekumuntu omazi and into yakubalekisa kuye or yini nawe phela ukhumbula ukuthi I relationship ayibreakwa ile enye part ibreakwa yini nithu, you understand. And nawe khona izinto okwazenza naye sekana leyo nto leyo ukuthi lona konje umuntu so and sizohlala ngiyakhohlwa wena konje uso vele uyayibona.
Eish. You haven't changed a bit. Umuntu akutshele leyo nto leyo
Yeah.
ukuthi yo yazi
Uyayibona.
I thought mhlambe soshintshile nje kusafana nje. Yabona, and that thing cuts deeper inside you ukuthi yo
Go.
and like lo muntu lona like usangiviwa ngaleyo ndlela or nami usasenalezo zinto lezo about
Or
me.
maybe and phela manje ngisho sometimes if kuwukuthi uwebe ubhedile ku relationship
Yeah.
uyacabanga ukuthi lo muntu uzo avenge la ayo yi revenge le.
Hey. So like out of 100 what's your take in terms of going back to your ex, like out of 100?
I think it's buma 60-40.
60-40.
Yeah, 60.
Okay, would you marry 2 wives as Tembo? Would you go for that?
Yeah, I mean I would njama. I mean I
Yeah.
would. Ukuthi nje ukhumbule expense akhona, it's much bigger than having one wife. Yabo, so I'd do that maybe mangabe mhlambe nami sengi
If
enough.
if your career pops up, right, like Ibn Soyambo, so we are expecting to see Usabza with images or two, right?
No. I'm not saying I will. I'm saying
Yeah.
I would.
Yeah, I know.
I would. Yeah.
Okay. No, Sabza, it was good having you, right? Like, thank you so much for coming back to Progressive Podcast. Guys, it was nice having Usabza, and please do like and subscribe on our channel. Sabza, any last words you have to say?
Bafethu, la empilweni focus empilweni yakho. Na focus empilweni yomunye umuntu. And make sure ukuthi you are always happy. It's good for your health. It's very good for your health. And bafethu ningakhohlwa ukufollow lapha ku Instagram official Sabza, Facebook Sabza, TikTok official Sabza. Hey, Twitter bafethu hayi angifika lapho.
Into zabelu.
And there's too much news lapha engizibalekela.
And remember, Sabza yakazwani
Yakuzwani le ndaba.
serious. Yo, Sabza, you know, on that note, yo, Sabza, really, I think, Sabza, you need to start following news, bruh. Please. And I think the next time, and I also want to bless you, Sabza, before like we wrap up. I wish our time would see you like umculo wakho mfethu upope, you know. I wish you make it big, you know. In the next coming months, you know, I see Sabza, I see a different Sabza, you know. I see a big successful, you know, Sabza, you know, making big things out there, bro.
Yeah, man, ngiyabonga njalo.
Okay, it was good having you out, Tammy. And bafethu, I think sizoyibamba lapho again, and please make sure bafethu na like and na subscribe and danko.